Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to accept all follow requests on Threads. First of all, you can open the Threads application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, first of all, make sure that you updated the latest version of Threads app. If you can't update, you can go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the latest version. Now continue the video. You can just simply go to the heart icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and now you can see the follow request here, and after this you can see your follow request here. You can now tap on confirm to accept the follow request, and this is the way you can accept follow request on Threads app, and you can repeat the process for the other request to accept it, and this is the way you can accept all follow requests. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.